Hello, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the ARC Advisory Group Forum. I want to welcome my special guest today, Ewa Michalowski. How are you doing today, Ewa?
Good, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Hey, my pleasure.
I know you're the future offer manager for Schneider Electric, so you're the perfect person to talk about what is Foxboro SDA. I know SDA stands for Software Defined Automation, but why is it so important right now?
So Foxboro SDA is Schneider Electric's next generation DCS. It is a validated software defined automation architecture. It is for the distributed control systems, which is powered by EcoStruxure Automation Expert, also known as or referred to as EAE. It is important because customers need a future-ready path that allows them to modernize the controls and data management without disrupting their day-to-day operations. Schneider Electric is providing continuity for their existing Foxboro users with a clear roadmap for where the system is going next.
You know, beyond the control room, how does SDA improve flexibility and resistance?
So SDA extends operations beyond the control room with support for tablets, remote stations, streamed remote HMI access. So its consistent software-centric architecture makes it easy to scale across the sites without added complexity, while keeping the governance and security intact, giving operators the freedom to work wherever they're needed, while keeping the system simple and secure.
Can you walk me through the Foxboro SDA demo?
So the SDA demo highlights a proven real-world architecture and shows a tight integration with the AVEVA system platform, combining modern OMI operator displays with enterprise-grade data capture through AVEVA Historian and Advanced Analytics. Also, it demonstrates flexible control strategy from simplex, high availability, and high availability disruption avoidance, a self-healing configuration that automatically assigns next available controller based on defined rules, thus maintaining continuous operations and letting users choose the control strategy based on the process requirements. You'll also see I/O flexibility as well, with support for Schneider Electric I/O and interoperable universal organization.org I/O, reinforcing SDA's open software-defined approach.
And one final question. What's the ultimate value proposition of Foxboro SDA?
So with Foxboro SDA, customers gain the freedom to modernize without disruption. They're able to reduce the complexity, leveraging open standards, flexible hardware choices, and enhanced cybersecurity. Modernizing improves reliability, system-level support, lowers lifecycle costs, and empowers our customers to grow and adapt with confidence, offering a clear path forward with every stakeholder, from control room to boardroom.
That's great. I mean, I can tell you we've had so much interest of Foxboro SDA at our forum, and we've been getting a lot of questions. So, Ewa, I really look forward to continuing our dialogue so we can learn about some of the future success stories of Foxboro SDA.
We'll be happy to share, and very excited where the new next generation Foxboro SDA is coming and going, and it's exciting for our customers as well.
Well, it was great that having you release it here at the 30th annual ARC Forum.
Thank you very much. It was my pleasure.
And thank you, Ewa Michalowski, Future Offer Manager, Schneider Electric. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
And this is Craig Resnick from the ARC Advisory Group, wishing you all a great day.